Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA driver keep crashing in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to update the NVIDIA driver. For that you need to enter into NVIDIA application. Just open it. Over there please enter into the driver and then download it. Yeah. So the second step is to roll back the driver. For that you need to enter into the device manager and then display adapter and NVIDIA GeForce. Right click it and enter into the properties and click driver, and you need to click rollback driver if it's enabled in the sense. Our third step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows update and then click for check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So fourth step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into your command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there by one. And guys, it need to be load from 0 to 100, so please do have some patience to wait on it. Hardly it will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Also please check the status. So once it's done, please click copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there, and the same you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So it need to be load from 0 to 100, and if in case it's unsuccessful in the sense, you need to repeat the step, and so that you need to check the status. Yeah, now it's successful. So our fifth step is to reinstall the NVIDIA driver. So for that you need to enter into the control panel. Over there program, uninstall or change the program, please do uninstall it and reinstall the program. Our sixth step is to restart your PC. So once it's done, please restart it and check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take you, bye bye.